Hey guys, this is my Mariner 4 horsepower 2-stroke outboard. I think it's 1984. This one has a couple issues: wobbly tiller steer, choke knob missing, recoil's broken a bit. Well, and then you got to pull it out and let it back in, then it'll grab and then you can fire up. Yeah, well, here we're on the Maroochy River, and this is Queensland, Australia. And let me give you a little demo, Easy starter. Righto. It'll start conking out if you let it idle and slow, so gotta give it throttle in reverse. Yeah. So we'll get up onto the plane and show you how she goes. It is neutral. Forward, goes into it nicely, and then reverse. Then you can spin them around, reverse like that. Right guys, that'll be it for this video. I know it's not a normal one to what I do on the channel, but yeah, it's what I do in my free time. Go out in the tinny and go up the river here and flop around. So see you guys, stay safe and have a good one.